Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Belinda here from Visualized NZ. Today I have a short and sweet video for you around this announcement. We're having a little giveaway. Yes, that's right. My channel has reached 500 subscribers, which is just huge in my world. Like, I am so grateful and just so exciting. Like, it's very exciting. So I have created a new digital kit, and this is it right here. Hot off the press. I only finished the 10th page, so there's 10 pages. I only finished it this morning. So hot off the press. It's not available on Etsy yet, but it will be available after the giveaway. So the giveaway is going to run for at least a week, probably not much longer. So if you're keen on it, then you need to hop along and get on it quick before it disappears. When I take it down from the free page, then it will be available to purchase in Etsy, and there will also be an accompanying ephemera pack. So I'm going to do it in two halves. So the freebie giveaway is just for the 10 journal pages. And I have to say, I absolutely adore this kit. I love it to bits. I'm really happy with how it looks, and I hope that you love it too. I hope it inspires you to use it in your journaling and making journals, or however you like to use your digital kits. So this is it. Let's have a wee look. 10 pages. There's 5 pages that feature an animal, and then 5 matching pages that don't have the animal on them. So a lot of my own work in here, and some purchased elements. The animals are purchased elements, but the rest is either my own handwork, or it's from antique books or documents that I own. Things like postcards, that sort of thing. So here we have this fun cat on a ball. It's an exercise ball. He's got his little exercise headband on. Very fun. Got some foliage, some lace, some text from a antique book, and some old scripty writing. Lots and lots of fun. And here is the matching page. So hopefully I'm in frame for this. I've already done this once where I was half out of frame. Very frustrating. So glad it was only a short video, so it's not too hard to recreate. So this is the matching page. Then we've got this super cute fox here. She's just adorable with a little bow in her hair. Some script from a antique postcard. I've been buying up in auctions. I've been buying up old postcards. I haven't done any for a while actually. I feel the need to go and purchase some more, because you can never have too many. This is the matching page for the fox, and you can mix and match these however you like. So these background pages I've tried to allow more writing space, so they're slightly paler, tend to be slightly paler for ease of writing. And these main pages with the animals on, I'll show you the next one because I'm having trouble grabbing. So Piglet on this one have got writing space in the middle and sort of in areas on the sides. So it's not just decorative, but it is functional as well. So I've got some florals here and leaves, another old postcard from 1918, some old stamps as well, lace in the background on all of them, different laces. Here's the matching one for that. So on this one I've given a different effect for the leaves and things. Just mix it up a bit, provide a different look. Then we have this sweet little deer in amongst the tulips, and some tulips down the side, and a postcard from 1906. There's a bit of music in the background of this one as well as the lace. And then here's the matching page where I've put the tulips along the bottom on this one, just for a different effect. I think it's super pretty. I just love all of these. I'm so happy with them. Just love them. Then we've got, I think it's our fifth Yep, our fifth animal is the squirrel. It's also super cute, and it's got bits of a postcard from 1912 in the background. Super sweet. And this is the matching page for the squirrel. So there we have 10 pages to go in a journal or make a card with, or whatever you like, however you like to use digitals. So the usual restrictions apply in terms of you can use them to make things to sell or for yourself or to give away, but you cannot alter the digital files in any way, take bits from them and put them in your own work and then claim them as yours. That's a no-no. So no sharing of any form digitally. Okay, that's part of the copyright because these are copyrighted to Visualized. So that's the only real restriction, is don't share them digitally. And I think most people understand that, that's how it works with digitals. So in order to get your hands on this wonderful little freebie, well, it's not so little really, it's taken me hours and hours and hours of work. In the description box there is a link, and it takes you to a sign up page where you need to subscribe to our newsletter, which we don't actually have yet. So we don't have a newsletter yet, and I won't be doing it any more than once a month, but probably more like once every 3 months, because I haven't got a lot of time. So you'll never be spammed because I haven't got time to spam anybody. I haven't got time to write the content. But in this newsletter there will be, when I do newsletters, there'll be tips and tricks and a featured video, updates on any new products, that sort of thing. And there will be other freebies as well in those newsletters. Certainly won't be as big as this one. It might be a 1 or 2 page sort of thing, but more freebies. So if you're happy to receive more freebies, then by all means go ahead and subscribe. You can unsubscribe at any time from that list. So yeah, don't be afraid of spam or getting locked into something you don't want to be a part of, because I know nobody's got time to be spammed. So that's all you need to do, is sign up on that page, hit the subscribe button, and then it will give you the link where you can download. It's in a PDF file and it's all formatted for A4 size, so do set your printer to the appropriate settings when you're printing out. There was something else I was going to tell you. I can't remember now. It's flowing out of my head. Any questions, just let me know, because I haven't tested it. I don't know if it's going to work properly. If it's not going to work properly, yeah, I need to know so I can fix things. So head along, grab this. It won't be up for very long. As I said at the beginning, it's going to be up probably not much longer than a week. So you need to really jump on it quick and make sure that you are on the device that you want to download the files to. So if you're doing it on your phone and you print from your phone, that's fine. But if you don't print from your phone, then make sure you're on your PC or your laptop or whatever. Otherwise you might have files that you can't do anything with. So just a little heads up on that. And that's about it. Go grab yourselves a freebie, guys. And thank you so much for being here. It rocks my world. It really does. It makes what I do so worthwhile. And I love it when you talk to me. That's the other thing, is if you could please leave me a comment on this video and tell me what your favorite playlist of mine is. So that's just a bit of help for me to work out what content people are enjoying the most, and then looking at whether, you know, I'm spending my time in the right places. So if you could do that, that would be super helpful. And it won't take you long. Just take you a minute to do that, or less than a minute. So there we go. That's the video for today. Grab yourself a freebie, and if you use it in things and post it on Instagram or in Visual Vibes, the Facebook group, or elsewhere on Facebook, tag me in so I can see what you make with it. I'd love to see that. Also, please don't share the link on social media or anywhere like that. people need to access it through the video. Yeah, that's it. Okay, everyone, it's the weekend time coming right up, so have a great weekend, and I'll see you back for Monday. Take care, everyone. Bye.